Anthony, Famas at Gawad Urian for film year 1996. And now, we bring you back ang box office queen na Grand Slam Best Actress pa, the megastar, Miss Sharon Cuneta.
Are actually yung mga respetadong mga artista natin na gusto mag-greet sa'yo.
Hold on. Hindi ko kasi alam kung sino-sino mga artista yung nasa VTR.
Okay.
But you know, I have to say this. Si Jacqueline Jose, kilala mo si Jacqueline, di ba?
Yeah. Jane.
I've always admired Jacqueline as an actress. But you know, in this whole Best Actress race, ngayon ko nakita yung kanyang alam mo yung goodness niya as a person. I've never had a more gracious co-nominee. Oh, napaka-gracious ang babae ni Jacqueline Jose. Jacqueline, kung fan mo ako noon dahil sa galing mo sa pag-arte, ngayon, fan mo ako dahil napakabait mong tao. And another person that's been celebrating with me all throughout is Lorna Tolentino. Isa pang Grand Slam na Best Actress Awardee, yan si LT. LT, thank you very much to you. And you know what? I want to congratulate my good friend and my teacher also, Miss Gina Alahar, dahil nag-Grand Slam din si Gina as Best Supporting Actress.
Congratulations.
And my leading man in ng Iniwan Mo Ko, si Albert Martinez, who bagged 2 Best Supporting Actor trophies. Congratulations to you, Albert. And also, I want to say a special thank you to Tita Caridad Sanchez. Si Tita Karing is someone I really respect so much, not only as a performer, as an actress, but also as a person. More nga as a person, although napakagaling niyang artista. Tita Karing, I love you. Thank you very much for all your kind words and your support. I love you, Tita. Also, I want to say a special thank you to Melissa Mendez for the flowers she sent me and the very nice letter. Thank you, Melissa. I appreciate it, my friend. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, of all the people that Sharon thanked, no? In-accommodate niya, pinasalamatan niya. Ito naman po yung mga taong babati para sa kanya. Panoorin po natin.
Isa ng award season, alam ko nang ikaw at alam kong magga-Grand Slam, nararamdaman ko. Dahil napanood ko ang pelikula at isa ako sa naniniwala na dapat kang makatanggap ng Grand Slam. Congratulations.
You did it. Grand Slam for 1997. You're very blessed.
Sharon, congratulations. Sabi ko na ba, Grand Slam ko yan. Sana mas marami pa next year.
My darling, my love, shall we? Congratulations. I know you were so nervous, but you got it. I love you.
I just want to congratulate si Sharon sa pagkakapanalo niya sa Gawad Urian. Congratulations, Sharon.
Kay rami nang nabago sa buhay. Mula nang tayo'y nagmahalan, puso ko'y natutong tumibok sa isang kumpas. Hanggang isang pintig na lamang ang marinig mula sa ating dibdib. Ngunit paraiso na ating narating ngayon'y naglalaho tulad ng isang bituin.